English-Icelandic future tense. I will have.
Ég mun hafa.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey friend, this podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll laugh, clap, and lock in the Icelandic future with will have, starring a future-telling puffin in you. Example to warm up. I will have equals.
Ég mun hafa.
Ready? Let's time travel your Icelandic. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every person of will have with confidence. I will have.
Ég mun hafa.
You, singular, will have.
Þú munt hafa.
He will have.
Hann mun hafa.
She will have.
Hún mun hafa.
It will have.
Það mun hafa.
We will have.
Við munum hafa.
You, plural, will have.
Þið munuð hafa.
They will have.
Þau munu hafa.
Pattern. Subject plus.
Munu.
Will, plus.
Hafa.
Have. Easy. Beat the verb. Future groove. Clap or tap along. I'll count you in. Keep it snappy and smile. 3, 2, 1. Clap. I will have.
Ég mun hafa.
You, SG.
Þú munt hafa.
He, she.
Hann mun hafa. Hún mun hafa.
It.
Það mun hafa.
We.
Við munum hafa.
You, place.
Þið munuð hafa.
They.
Þau munu hafa.
Now whisper them once more, then say them like a Viking hero. Mini dialogues. Listen and echo each reply, short, punchy, and useful. A. Will you have time tomorrow? B. Yes.
Ég mun hafa.
Tima. A. Will I get a seat? B. Yes.
Þú munt hafa.
Seti. A. What about John? B.
Hann mun hafa.
Nýrstornar færir hadegi. A. And Anna? B.
Hún mun hafa.
Svaria. A. Is the device ready? B.
Það mun hafa.
Loki Heleslu KL. Tolf. A. Can we finish today? B. Ja.
Við munum hafa.
Nagin Tima. A. Team, do we all get seats? B. Ja.
Þið munuð hafa.
Fritekin Seti. A. And the partners? B.
Þau munu hafa.
Likla hadegi. Culture tip. Sound native. Quick insider tip so you sound local. For the future, Icelandic often uses
Munu.
plus infinitive, so will have is.
Munu hafa.
Example. We will have time.
Við munum hafa.
Tima. Negation. Slip in, ekki. We will not have time.
Við munum ekki hafa.
Tima. And remember, for own, you may also meet.
Eiga.
In other contexts, but today we're drilling.
Hafa.
With the future helper.
Munu.
Lightning quiz. Answer out loud, I'll pause for you. No peeking. Q. Translate. We will have more time tomorrow. A.
Við munum hafa.
Miri Tima A. Morgan. Q. Translate. I will have the keys. A.
Ég mun hafa.
Liklana. Q. Translate. You, singular, will have a ticket. A.
Þú munt hafa.
Mia. Q. Translate. They will have more time tomorrow. A.
Þau munu hafa.
Miri Tima A. Morgan. Q. Translate. You, plural, will have seats. A.
Þið munuð hafa.
Seti. Q. Translate. It will have finished loading by noon. A.
Það mun hafa.
Loki Haleslu v Hadegi. Q. Translate. She will have the answer. A.
Hann mun hafa.
Spari.
Hún mun hafa.
Spari. The 30-second challenge. Ready to flex? You've got this. Say a true sentence about your day with.
Ég mun hafa.
Promise a friend something with.
Þú munt hafa.
Report about a colleague.
Hann mun hafa.
Or.
Hún mun hafa.
Talk about a device.
Það mun hafa.
Plan as a team.
Við munum hafa.
Address a group.
Þið munuð hafa.
Sum up the whole crew.
Þau munu hafa.
Wrap up from Synapse Lingo. Nice work, future tense unlocked. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing your groove.
Ég mun hafa. Við munum hafa.
And the whole crew of forms. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.